Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locating the actual Outlook program file, not a store tile. Open File Explorer and navigate to see \program files or see \program files x86. Once there, drill into Microsoft Office \root and the Office Roman 20 folder that contains Outlook. exe. If you prefer, open the Start menu, search Outlook, right-click and choose Open File Location to jump straight to the exe. This confirms the real path and avoids creating a shortcut to a launcher or web link. Once you have Outlook, exe visible, right-click it and choose Send to, then Desktop, Create Shortcut. This places a direct shortcut on your desktop that launches the real program. Alternatively, click and drag the exe to the desktop while holding Alt to create a shortcut. This is faster for touchpads. Make sure the shortcut target shown in Properties points to Outlook. Exe in the Office folder, if it points to a store link, delete it and repeat using the exe file itself. Now tidy up. Right-click the new desktop shortcut, choose Properties to rename it and change the icon so you instantly recognize Outlook. Once done, you can also pin that shortcut to the taskbar or start for one-click access. If the exe is missing, don't panic, run Programs and Features right arrow modify right arrow quick repair or run Office repair from settings. Make sure you're checking both program files locations. If click to run rearranged files, use the Start menu, open file location.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.